Hi again. Now it's time to create this piece right here. Let's see how can we create it. I mean this one. Let's create an arrow. This piece. So to create this, I will start from the box. So let's add a box. Shift A and let's go to mesh and add the box. Actually, it's called cube, but sometimes I call it box. So let's add this one right here and let's scale it down. Make it very small. Here's and go to wireframe. I think that's gonna be better. G and take this up. Right about here maybe. Alright, so we just create this box right here. Now let's see what else we can do. I can scale it to the x-axis a bit, just like that, and Control A and apply the scale. Tap to the edit mode, and let's see what can we do here. Let's take this menu bag, just click and drag it, just like that. Alright, let's switch to the vertex mode and let's grab these vertices, G, and take them up a bit, maybe right here, and let's take those down, G, and let's take them, put them right here. After that, let's add an edge in the middle, Control R, let's add an edge right here, and left click to leave it in the center, just like that. Well, now let's take these 4 vertices and hit E to extrude a new face, maybe right here. And let's take those and hit G and let's push them just like that. Let's add a couple of edges here, Control R, and let's add maybe 3 or 4. Let's add 4 and let's move them. Let's push these vertices a bit, and this one, and maybe this one. Let's take those back, G, and let's move them here, and maybe I can push this a bit, just like that. Well, that's nice. Let's switch to the face mode and let's delete this half, XF to delete it, and let's see now what else we can do. So we just created this piece. If we switch to the solid mode, we will see what we got. Let's go to the right view or the left view, Control 3, and let's push this in new geometry forward, G to the Y a bit, maybe right here. And let's take a look, let's see what we got here. Tap to the edit mode, maybe I need to push these faces forward a bit, grab them all, and from the left view, Control 3, maybe I can push these G and take them forward. Switch to the wireframe, I think that's gonna be better, and go to the vertex mode, hit number 1, and take these vertices forward. Just like that. And let's take those vertices back, G, and let's take this, push this right here and this one. And let's take those 2. Maybe right here. Actually, I'm not gonna be worried about this size right here because I'm thinking to add a mirror modifier here and reflect the same information that I got here to the other side, and I think that's gonna be better for me. From the front view, let's see what we got so far. We need to add an edge here in this area. So let's hit number 1 and let's see how can we add an edge right here. Well, I can add one right here in this area, Control R, and let's add one right here, and I can grab all of these vertices and push them a bit, G, and take those maybe right here, and grab these and move them, G, and move them just like that. After that, let's grab this vertex and hold Control and let's grab this one, and maybe I need to push them back, or I can take these faces forward. So I think that's gonna be better if I take those faces. So switch to face mode, hit number 3, grab this face, hold Control and grab this one here. Let's see what we got in wireframe. And from the left view, Control 3, I can push these forward, key, and take them just like that. After that, now I can take everything back, key, take everything back a bit. Now let's see what we got so far. Well, I think I need to take them back to the Y key, to the Y a bit. Maybe right here. And that's cool. Well, after that, let's add a mirror modifier. And let's go to the modifier list and let's open it and let's add a mirror. Where is the mirror? This one right here. So when we added the mirror reflected the information on the right side, but we need to reflect the same information here. Well, let's activate the Y and let's hit bisect and let's flip the result on Y. Now we got this result just like that. That's nice. That's cool. Let's go to the left view again. Let's see what we got here. Well, I need to take those back a bit. Yeah, let's take those back, but I need to apply the mirror and let's tap to the edit mode for the same geometry and let's take these vertices back. G, and let's take them back, maybe right here. And let's edit some vertices here. Let's move these a bit and those. That's all what you want to do. And maybe I can grab all of these vertices forward a bit. And we got this shape. The final thing that I want to do is to support these edges. So let's hit slash from the numpad to isolate this piece alone. Well, here we have faces. Actually, I don't need all of these faces. No one can see them. Select this first one. Hold Control Shift to grab this. So we just selected all these faces between. And it's easy XF to delete them. And there we go. Well, what about these faces right here? I don't want them to. Grab this one, Control Shift to grab this, XF to delete them. I ended with this result. Well, now let's Control R and let's support this area with an edge. Or if you want, we can grab this edge and this one and this one. And if you want to add a mirror here, that's gonna work. So let's grab this and let's add a bevel. Let's bevel this result, Control B for bevel. Well, if I add a bevel right here, I will have problem here with the overlapping. So let's take these vertices back. Let's grab this one and scale them to the Y, just like that. And grab those and scale them just like that. I just need to add a distance here. So grab those and scale them. And now, I think now we can add the bevel. But before that, let's delete this face. These faces, sorry. Switch to the face mode, hit number 3 and grab these, XF to delete them. Now, let's switch to edge mode, Alt click, Alt Shift click here and here and here and there, and let's hit Control B for bevel and let's bevel this result a bit. We just bevel this. Well, now after that, tap to the object mode, give it shade smooth. Now it is smoothed. And now you can add subdivision surface, but before that, let's add a mirror modifier. Now that's very cool. And above the mirror, let's add subdivision surface to make this even more smooth. Maybe we can increase this to 2. I think that's gonna be better. And let's hit slash to jump back to the robot. Now we got this result. If you want to extrude these up, that's gonna be cool. Alt click on this edge and E and take this up just like that. Don't worry about what's going on here. This area will be covered with the arm details. So now we got these results, and maybe from the left view I can take the result back, G to the Y a bit, center it a bit, just like that, and now it is cool. It is cool. Alright, so this is how to create this piece. I will see you in the next tutorial.